Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. If you're looking for powerful video editing software but don't want to spend a lot on Adobe Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 free or cheap alternatives that can get the job done without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First up is DaVinci Resolve. This professional-grade video editing software is completely free and offers a wide range of features including advanced color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Next, we have HitFilm Express. This free software is great for both video editing and visual effects. It comes with a range of powerful tools for compositing, keying, and 3D rendering. While the base version is free, you can purchase add-on packs to expand its functionality. Another excellent free option is Shotcut. This open-source video editor supports a wide variety of formats and provides a simple, intuitive interface. It's a great choice for anyone who needs a straightforward, no-frills video editor. Lightworks is another powerful tool that offers a free version with professional-grade editing features. It's been used in the production of several Hollywood films. While the free version has some limitations, it's more than enough for most editing needs. You can upgrade to the Pro version for additional features. Lastly, we have VSDC Free Video Editor. This software offers a wide range of features including color correction, visual effects, and blending modes. The interface might seem a bit complex at first, but it's highly versatile and powerful. And there you have it. These are 5 fantastic free or cheap alternatives to Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these tools have something to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.